Articles allow you to present information to your customers or the public. You can access articles either below the model versions or in the navigator. Uh, there is an automatic article created with the study title, the description, and the cross-sections and map view. It's called the abstract. We can edit the abstract clicking in the Edit button below it. We can include the map, cross-sections in an article. Articles are edited in Markdown. Markdown is a common language used in the Internet to edit web pages without HTML. We can also view pages for our articles clicking Open Page. We can share pages with who we want. For public studies, they will be visible to the public. For private studies, they will only be visible to people with permissions, like your team or customers. We can create new articles for our models and link them. We can view more about that in the articles tutorial, which will fully explain Geomodelr's Markdown. We can also share our cross-sections, maps, or 3D visualizations outside Geomodelr. Click the share icon of the cross-section or map and copy the HTML that comes with it. We can paste that code in our website. In this case, I will use WordPress, but you should be able to paste this code to any content management system. This object will only be visible to people who has permissions in the study. If you want to put it in a blog or something, make sure the model is public. If you want to share it privately, it's better to use Geomodelr articles directly. The parameters for the iframe are very standard, but you can change them to fit your needs or to go with the style of your website. You can also download the cross-section in ArcGIS shapefile format. For that, click the button in the cross-section or map. It will tell you that the object will be saved in the files repository. Waiting a few seconds will result in the appearance of a file with the name of the cross-section. We can download this by clicking the button. If we unzip it, we can see it has two shapefiles, the folds, line strings, and the unit polygons. In the visualization page, we can also see that there is a Share button. The Share button can be used, as with cross-sections, to insert a visualization to a website. Let's go back to the study page. It's cool to be able to share our models for people to visualize, but we make models for other things. We will use model versions to be able to query and play with our models. We had used model versions in the first tutorial to save a version of our model that could be restored at a later time. However, model versions are more than that. They are full serializations of our models. They are particularly useful to use with Geomodelr Query Tool. After downloading our model versions, we will use the console. Geomodelr Query Tool works currently with Linux and OS X. Be sure to follow the instructions provided in the documentation. We can install the query tool with pip, the package manager for Python. For more detailed instructions, see the reference below this video. We can use Python -m Geomodelr to access Geomodelr as a command line application. -i shows information of our model. -h shows the help for options. One of the options is -q, the query mode. In query mode, inserting 3 coordinates will return the geological unit at that position. This mode is very useful if you are not a Python programmer, but want to get formations at a given set of points. It's to be used in conjunction with a velocity model or other programs that receive points as input and return a value depending on the geological formation. A more directly useful command is the -vol command. This command calculates the volume of each of the materials found inside the model. It takes as input the initial grid divisions and the octree refinements. After a few minutes, you can see the results for our model with the precision dictated by the minimum cell size, which is 342 cubic meters. The code for this and other procedures is in the GitHub repository of Geomodelr Query Tool. We can also import Geomodelr as a Python module with the command model from file. We can create a geological model to be used with any Python program we want. Model from file receives a single parameter, the path to the model file, and it returns a geological model object. We can use the commands like closest, which returns the unit at the point, plus the distance in the Geomodelr algorithm sense. All the commands available are explained in the documentation site. The license of Geomodelr is AGPL. That means that you are free to view and use the code as long as you publish any changes that you make. If you want more information, view the Affero GPL license at gnu.org/licenses or in a downloaded copy of Geomodelr Query Tool. We at Geomodelr are very happy to help you to work in any usage that you want to give to the application. Please send an email to support@geomodelr.com or post in the forums if you want help to use Geomodelr Query Tool. This last code example queries information from a column located at the corner of the geological model. If you want to know what the distance number means, you can view the Geomodelr algorithm description linked below this video. This is the last video tutorial. We hope that you have enjoyed them. Don't hesitate to ask anything in the forums or to support@geomodelr.com. Goodbye and happy modeling!